In today's video, we're gonna learn how to change a region on Netflix. There is no option to change region within the application of Netflix. So the only way that you can change region is through connecting to a VPN. You can find any VPN that you want and you can just download it. Whether you're using it on your desktops or on your mobiles, you can just quickly connect to a VPN. For this video, we're going to use Proton VPN. You can easily find this on the Play Store or the App Store. You can just download it and you'll have 3 connections on Proton VPN: Japan, Netherlands and the United States. So this is a free VPN, so it only has limited access. If you want more access to different countries and locations, you'll need to use a paid VPN. So let's quickly connect to a server. Once the connection has been secured, you can open up your Netflix app and you can just tap on the search bar on the top and search for movies and TV shows which were previously not available. Top searches also show the searches of the connection that you had. In this case, it's showing the top searches of United States. So as you can see, the VPN is completely working. So that was a quick video on how to change the region or location on Netflix. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, be sure to let us know by giving this video a thumbs up. That's gonna be all for today and I'll see you in the next one.